The time that we face today is a critical time in our history. We see this administration doing everything they can to grab all the power they can. They're trying to tie up our natural resources. They're trying to force us all to buy a product for the first time that they have no business trying to force us to buy.
We filed the suit on Obamacare just as John Swallow was becoming chief deputy, and he took the lead in my office and for the state of Utah, and he's been a leader for other states as well. You know, Utah is one of the lead plaintiffs in this case. John has reviewed briefs, he's on monthly phone calls, he strategized with the lawyers, all the lawyers involved. He knows the case, he knows the law, and he's very important to our successfully overturning that unconstitutional mandate.
One of the biggest issues we're facing today is our land issues. If we don't stand up to this administration now and take our lands back, we will not be able to compete in a global economy, in a national economy, and we won't be able to educate our kids.
They try to take wildlands away from us. He's already stood up to the Obama administration and to the Department of Interior when they try to take wildlands away from us.
John understands the need to open up Utah's public lands for the benefit of Utah's school children.
We have a president who's passing legislation through Congress that's taking away our rights and freedoms. I'm a conservative. I've fought these fights all of my career, and I am anxious to get into this seat and fight the fight to preserve and protect our freedoms, to protect states' rights.
The Office of Attorney General is the largest law firm in the state of Utah. It has a responsibility for defending individuals, every state agency, and every avenue of the law. And you need somebody with vast experience to lead this office. John Swallow has that experience, both as a litigator. He has it in my office now as a chief deputy. He understands the Constitution. He has great legislative relationships to get things done. John Swallow right now is the man for the job.
He's a real conservative. He's been leading the fight against Obamacare. He's been leading the fight to unlock Utah's public lands. That's exactly what we need in the Attorney General's office.
I want to lead the charge for our rights and our freedoms. I want to lead the charge for our families. I want to protect Utah, and I want to protect the Constitution.
We need a proven attorney. We need a proven conservative. That man is John Swallow.